Did you know that tea is the second most consumed beverage worldwide after water? It's been fueling minds and rituals for thousands of years. Welcome back to Coffee Minutes, your go-to podcast for everything coffee, productivity, and personal finance. If you're new here, hit subscribe and join the conversation. Today, we're comparing two beloved beverages, coffee and tea. Which one actually fuels productivity more? Let's find out. Both coffee and tea are popular for boosting energy and focus, but they do it in different ways. So if you're trying to pick your go-to productivity drink, understanding their effects can help you make a smarter choice. Let's break it down with 3 key points. First, the caffeine content and its effect. Coffee typically contains more caffeine than tea, about 95 milligrams per cup, compared to roughly 30 to 50 milligrams for tea, depending on the type. That extra caffeine gives coffee a stronger immediate kick, which can help with alertness and focus, especially in the morning or during a midday slump. Tea's caffeine release tends to be gentler and more sustained, offering a calm but steady boost without the jitters some people get from coffee. Second, the role of L-theanine in tea. Tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which promotes relaxation without drowsiness. It balances out caffeine's stimulating effects and can improve attention and cognitive performance. This is why tea drinkers often describe feeling calm alertness. For tasks requiring sustained focus without anxiety, tea can be a great choice. And third, the psychological and ritual effects. Coffee's strong aroma and bold flavor often feel energizing and motivating. For many, the act of brewing and sipping coffee is a productivity ritual that signals time to work. Tea rituals tend to be slower and more meditative, which can help reduce stress and improve mental clarity. This calming effect can be just as important for productivity, especially during long work sessions. So, which fuels productivity more? The answer depends on your personal needs and preferences. If you need a quick energy boost and thrive on high caffeine, coffee might be your best bet. If you prefer a smoother, calmer focus, tea could be the better choice. Why not experiment? Try alternating between the two and notice how your energy and focus change. If you want to learn more about the science behind these drinks and how they impact your brain and productivity, check out the book list linked in the description. I've also included some guides and recipes to help you make the most of both coffee and tea. Here's a quick summary. Coffee delivers a stronger caffeine punch for immediate alertness. Tea offers a gentler, sustained focus thanks to L-theanine. Both have unique rituals that support different productivity styles. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and check out the description for books, affiliate links, and my Ko-Fi page where you can support Coffee Minutes. What's your favorite pick-me-up, coffee or tea? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you fuel your productivity. Thanks for spending time with me. This has been Coffee Minutes. Catch you in the next episode where we'll share a simple trick to stay productive while working from cafes.